Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. My name is Olorunwa. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make money online. You can see I normally teach my community how to make money online, dollar arbitrage, crypto arbitrage, and then spiritual thief and general graphics designer. Okay guys, so as you can see today, you are going to make money and you yourself, you will be happy without any investment. Okay, first thing to do here, let me go to the app. Let me show you the app. Firstly, let me go to the app and then show you exactly how you can make this money. Okay, so we jump into the app now. As you can see, the app, this is the app now loading. Boom. Okay guys, as you can see this app now, we have, especially you have to know how to play ludo. The app is all about ludo game. Okay guys, so I know many of you know how to play ludo. Even though you don't know how to play ludo, there is a free trial here whereby you can practice it. Just study how to play it, because as I'm talking to you, I'm not a professional on it, but immediately I got this research, I study how to play. I study it very well, and then I play, and I won. Okay guys, so what I normally do is that this is only one I normally do. I normally play with this ludo dice one. Okay guys, so it's very easy to get, and then you can win a lot of money there. Okay guys, so as you can see it here now, if you come down, let me show you here. So this is winning game. Okay, as you can see my deposit, this is my deposit. I just got this as I'm doing this video now. I deposited cash of 120 and then I win 380. That's why I wanted to do this video for everybody to start making free money online. Okay guys, how can you do if you don't want to deposit? What you can do is that I have my referral here. I will drop down the referral below down this video, so you can register with this referral. If you use this referral to register, you are going to be given 100 naira, and then this 100 naira you can use it to make a lot of money here without deposit. Okay guys, but if you don't use my referral, you just log in directly, you download the app directly, so you are not going to be giving any money. You'll be giving just a coin, 50 coins. Okay guys, so definitely you are going to deposit money. Okay guys, because you don't use any referral. But if you use referral, you'll be giving 100 naira, and then 100 naira can make a lot. Okay guys, as you can see here now, 120 naira I just deposited. You can see that I have made 380, and then I'm still going to play when I finish this video. Now I just want to record the video before I continue playing. Okay guys, so the next thing is that referral bonus. You can also refer many people. When you refer, you can get your bonus. Okay, but deposit, if you even deposit, when you deposit 200 naira, you'll be giving 400 naira bonus. Okay guys, so that is when you deposit 200 naira, you'll be giving 200 naira. The total is 400 naira, so that is double. If you deposit 500 naira, you'll be giving 500 naira. The total will be what? 1000 naira. Okay guys, and then the next thing here to do is that the withdrawal, you can withdraw anyhow. You can withdraw minimum of what? 50 naira to 5000 naira in a day. Okay guys, so let me show you how to withdraw. Okay, let me first show you my winning game. Okay, today now, as you can see, this is my transaction. Can you see this transaction now? You can see that the game I have won. This battle entry, immediately I play 100 naira on, so I use it to win 165. As you can see this transaction, do you see everything here? So this is how the game goes. Okay, immediately I play, I win, I play, I win. Okay guys, because I just study. You just need to study it. Even though you are not a professional, you are going to win. Okay guys, so if you want to withdraw, you can come down to this withdrawal link, and then you can see that you have to link your bank for easy withdrawal. Okay, you just link your bank there. Immediately you link your bank, and then you can withdraw. Let me just try to withdraw. I don't want to withdraw now because I'm still going to continue my game. I just want to make this video first. Okay, as you can see, let me just withdraw. Say I want to withdraw 50 naira. Do you see it now? Immediately I wrote it like this. Can you see it? I will just click this place directly, and then the money will go to your account directly. So that is how the withdrawal is all about. With this game now, you can come to this game and start. If I play it now, the game will start. Okay guys, so I don't want to use it now because I don't want this video to be long. Okay guys, so that's why I'm just saying this now. Get this app directly, and then the link will be here, so where you can download it under this video description. You can download it, use my referral, so that you'll be giving 100 naira. By giving 100 naira, you can continue with this game, and then you play the ludo and then you win. And then my short video, I'm going to record live how I play the ludo, where you can understand it. I will put it on short video. Okay guys, but if you know that you don't understand it more, you can contact me. I can send it to your WhatsApp. But ludo game is very easy. Okay, it's very easy. Just study it. Even though you don't know how to play, study it, and then you are going to win. You win a lot. Here you win. As you win, you can withdraw your money. There is no issue with that one. Okay guys, so that is all about this game. So guys, so if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Peace.